Alright, what's going on YouTube? Today we got a little bit different of a video. I've never really done this before, but we're gonna do a DRZ build. And this is what we're working with. We got a 2001 DRZ 400E, the E model. It was converted into a street legal. But we're gonna be working with this for the next 2 episodes. I'm just gonna do like a 2-part series, episode 1, episode 2. And we're just gonna be going through doing some mods to the bike. When the guy put on the street legal kit, he also did the jetting and the 3x3 airbox mod. So we're not gonna be doing any performance upgrades. It's got an aftermarket pipe, pro circuit. So we're mainly gonna be working on aesthetics for the 2-part series. And also, by the way, it's been a little while since I've last uploaded. I know I put out a little video of me singing at a coffee shop, but I've been in Brazil. I spent the last year and a half in Brazil. I went down there to help some people out and see what I could do down there. And I'm gonna put another video up about that and everything. But just that's where I've been for the last year and a half. So look for that video coming soon. So like I said, we're just changing the looks of it right now. Right now, all I got is just some random sticker bomb decal on the back, some wrap. Put some spokes on it, or the spoke covers. Put a little. Wrap this up here, just little stuff. Right now it has I don't know if you can tell, but it has a carbon fiber finish. And this is a 2001, so it's pretty old. The seat is pretty rounded out. It isn't very angular like the newer ones, but we'll see what we can do. So let's show you what we're working with here. This is going to be the first part of this series. We got some axle sliders. We have a new seat cover, and also we got some bar ends that we're going to put on. That'll be the first episode right now, so let's get to it. There we go, got the first ones on. Now let's get to the back. So that's it. It's as simple as that. Those axle sliders, I think they look pretty cool. Pretty dope, super simple. All right, so next we just got to slap on these bar ends. But the problem is that I got a universal kit, but for some reason they still don't fit my bars. So I'm gonna have to sand it down a little bit so it'll fit in. So let's do that real quick, like. So I really can't believe that I bought the wrong size for the bar ends, because I've shaved this part down, and so it'll fit in there, but this metal part, it'll just be sticking out about that much. So when I put it in, it'll be about there. It's not gonna go all the way flush like I want it to, but I don't have the patience to go and try and drill this metal part out, so I'll probably have to just buy new ones or deal with it some other way. But let's just get these on there. I'm gonna have to put something on there. I really don't like how it's it has that huge gap, but it's alright for now. Alright, so last thing to do is just get this seat on, man. Holy moly. Let's see how this goes. Let's try it. Alright, there we go. Now we just need to take out all these little... Dang, this is gonna take forever. No way. Wow, look at that. I didn't even know that, but the guy before me must have changed the seat out because there's a gel pad in there. Alright, so I got that off. Now the next step is just to put this thing on here. Put that on there and then strap it down. Let's do it. Alright, so with these things, it's pretty much trial and error. You gotta do it again if it's too tight. Like right now, it is way too tight. And it's hard to tell, but as soon as I put that down, this thing starts bending up like crazy. So I'm gonna have to do it again, just a little less tight this time. There it is, all done. And before I get all the comments about all the staples, how they're not in all the way, I know I didn't have the right kind of staples. I had these like huge ones that didn't fit all the way. Either that or my staple gun was too weak, so I just like doubled up on the amount of staples, so I know it's not gonna come off, but yeah, that's it. Let's see the other side. There it is. Pretty clean. I got a tiny little wrinkle, but that'll come out right when I put it down on the bike, so I'm not too worried. Looks good. Let's get it on.
Going. Wow, looks nice.
All right, there's the seat. I'm not gonna screw it in because I'm gonna take off all the plastics for the next episode and clean out all the plastics, take off the stickers. But there's the seat. Looks really good. So it's like this was just like a $15-20 seat cover that I found online, so it's not like the best quality, it's not super grippy, but I'm not doing crazy jumps or anything like that, so I don't need to worry about it. But it looks good. That was way harder than I thought it was gonna be to put that thing on. It might be a little bit off, but no one's gonna notice that. But I think it looks good. Woo! Got the bike coming together. I think it's hard because this bike, the seat is like real curved. It's not as like angular as the other ones, so it's a little bit difficult. It was difficult to put this thing on. But yeah, there's no wrinkles in that. Woo! Spent like 3 hours doing it. But yeah, so that's gonna be it for this episode. Got those guys on there. Got the bar ends and the seat. Next episode, we're gonna be putting on the graphics. We're gonna be putting on a clutch protector, so a muffler protector, graphics. What else? I think that's it. All right, that's it for this episode 1 of 2. If you guys like the seat cover and how the stuff came out, maybe consider subscribing and helping me out a little bit. I love doing this stuff, and hopefully we'll see more in the future. Thank you guys. Take it easy.